It is a Tuesdays. You know what happens on Tuesdays? It's the chaos time. Been a while I've said this. Because of initial problems that just made me go cuckoo crazy. But now that these problems have been averted, or seems like it have been averted, I am willing to tempt my chance again on VRA Tuesdays. Welcome everyone, back for some more VRA Tuesdays, the show where I make my own avatar system and my own webcam. Because I can, and I absolutely hate using the other ones. Most of them at least. How y'all doing today? Hopefully y'all doing good. I am doing pretty decent right now. While I quickly fix some stuff with the play space because my head is a bit also, oh damn, that lens is absolutely dirty as shit. Oh boy. Absolutely dirty lens on my Pimax. I really have to clean that out. Yeah. But it works at least. Okay. Really, there's no in between. Okay then. Anyways, I'll just show my current camera. Hello. I exist. I'm here for some VRA chaos. Oh boy. I am done today. Here's the part Jupiter had seated bed only to find that it used to sleep as previous version. Yippee! Great! You would not think to hold the things together. Oh damn. We love soldering things together. Yeah, and I love adjusting my play space. Because my Pimax is still connected, so I kind of have to type stuff manually, I guess. Oh, 5. Does that work? I think it does. Gosh, do I really need to go get something to clean up that lens under Pimax first. I don't want to stain either. Okay, well I'm just gonna become like this for a second. Now where is my issue? Issue.exe does not exist. Great. Cloth.exe has stopped responding. I can't clean. Unless I use one of my big kits. Oh boy. Alright, well, I'm gonna start up Unity. Man, been a while since I've actually popped up Unity. Yeah, and sorry for the delay. I've been trying some stuff with just some things. I want to check something with my suit, something that first I've been questioning myself about. When it comes to like wearing it and just maybe a partial mode, just a more optimized partial mode for my suit. Because this is not a great suit to do partial, that's for sure, because of all the triggers. But I might have found a way to do partial. Heck, even with those big ass wings of mine, I can probably do partial myself. I have a cute little bird hoodie I can use as a as just an actual like shirt. It seems to work pretty well. After a quick test, it seems to work pretty well for the arms and everything. Oh god, yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, this head is very heavy because I have a battery pack strapped to my head as well. Fantastic. I'm just waiting on YouTube to open right now. Here. Ah, yeah, now those are clean lenses. Oh yeah, really clean. Alright, the Pimax lenses are clean. Yeah, boy. Grr. Yeah. Okay, I hate that battery pack setup. God damn it. When I have to turn my fucking tracker. Yeah, grr. Okay, what's going on up here? Holy shit, it's all tangled now. Fucking hell. Hang on. Now, come on. Life of a VTuber. When stuff is not charged. We love it. Let's keep that here. I can keep this here for now. Not bother to go and bring it back. Alright, well, okay, so what screen do I have set up on this one, actually? Ah, straight up to 80, great. That is actually fantastic. It's already set up. Screw your settings. Resettable window. Ignore. Full screen more ignore. I don't care. No, ignore all. Are you sure? Yes. Shut up. So webcam. Within Unity. Great. Does not work. Absolutely fantastic. Why did it do this? Why am I like this? What happened? We'll have to see this. We do love to see this. Why? What calibration is it using? It should be using the tracker mode, yeah. Look at mouse mode. Yeah, that's, it works. Tracker mode. Why? Fucking why? That is immediately a red flagger here. Have you ever had to see that? Well, not even a VR headset. The fuck? What now? VRA, are you okay? What happens if I shut off? If I shut off this one? What's gonna happen? Tell me it's gonna be alright. No. Huh. So it is not a... Do gestures even work? They do. That is the old avatar though, because this is the old color. God, poor little guy. Oh, poor little guy. Ah, well, I guess that's the first bug I have to figure out. Why the fuck is this record not working? Is it because... No, it is set takes on startup, open VR loaded, open VR overlay. Yeah, it is set up. It is set up. So I'm gonna play the regular music now. Boop, that's new. Ah. God damn it. Game facts, why? Why you boot my snoot? How dare you boot my snoot? I'm suffering, and why the heck my webcam is not working anymore? Definitely not while savoring a completely melted McFlurry. Like, so, huh? Yeah, great. I want to be like, alright, this is the state of the webcam. So, I got them swear. 1 second it's working, the other second it's not working. And now the other second afterward is working again. Bruh. That's because furries now there. Okay, well, state of webcam. This is the state of it. It's working. And you can't do shit about it. It's working out. So I'm realizing I'm not super centered. I am not centered. Let me quickly just recenter. Great. Perfect. Alright, if I close this... Actually, is it gonna save or is it gonna save over? God. That's the problem with like multiple webcams like this. Okay, did not... Okay, I'm gonna close this. Recenter trial line head. Alright. That should have saved it. I hope. Properly. Nope. Okay, I'll just do it on this one. Just recenter trial line head. There you go. Now it's alright. Now it's all good. It's so hard to see it just match. Like, both of them just completely match up. I do need to update this avatar quickly, though. So that's gonna be... Which folder is this gonna be in? Look, well, that's probably this one, if I were to guess. Yes, there we go. So, state of webcam. We have a working prototype. You can see my little tracker on my head. So, prototype. You can swap avatars. You can have it seated here. You can go in VR mode. You can make it look to the mouse instead. If you don't have any trackers or just nothing, if you're really just... If you want a statue, go for it. VR mode works with controllers, without controllers. Seated VR mode, that also works. Full body, that's not done. I have an idea for full body, however. I have an idea for it. Though, there's just one little caveat. Right now, the head tracker requires to have SteamVR set it up as a head, as a waist. Which means that this one will be a waist tracker, and that one will be a waist tracker. SteamVR can't really recognize the difference between those. That could be a problem. Actually, maybe that's not actually a problem. You know what? That might not be a problem. No, because if you're in full body... If you're in full body, by default, you're VR mode. With VR headset and 2 controllers. So it doesn't need to have the waist tracker on your head. Genius. Though, it would be cool if you could do full body without a headset. That would be cool. That would be really nice to do full body without a headset. So for that, I could reuse the calibration of that tracker here. But then I would need another SteamVR roll for that tracker. Honestly, I just want to see what I can... Maybe a plan. Maybe need a VR suit. Maybe, but that's expensive, and I want to keep it as cheap as possible for people. Like, you already need 2 base stations and a tracker. That's already like $500. Hot damn. So let's try and keep the cost low for this one. Let me check. If I go to controllers, manage trackers, what role could work? Because there is a camera role and a keyboard role. I'm not sure if those would work. Huh. Yeah, it's kind of stupid that SteamVR does not include a head roll. That's kind of stupid if you ask me. Like, you can set literally a tracker to be absolutely, literally anything. Except head. That's kind of stupid. So the thing is, so there's like... I'm gonna list you everything they have. Held in hand. That can be taken care of by controllers, but if you don't have controllers and want to use trackers, you can. Left foot, left and right shoulder, left and right elbow, left and right knee, left and right wrist, left and right ankle, waist, chest, camera, and keyboard. Bruh. Yeah, technically, but SteamVR is not just for VR, you know. It's also used in cinema production with the Vive Mars. Believe me, I'm using it at work right now, and it's absolutely great. Doesn't even require SteamVR to run. There's like Vive Mars does not even require a SteamVR install. It's just Vive Mars network cable straight to your computer. Bam, you're ready. No SteamVR install whatsoever. It just sends via network the data. So it's not like you need a VR headset to use it. Heck, there's an option for a null headset, which just needs no headset. And just spawn a fake one. Hot damn. So that's a puzzle and a half. Honestly, the other option I see is keyboard. Keyboard. Why the fuck would you track your keyboard? Yeah, no headset, also high dev. You know what? Where's the stream? Where's the fucking stream VC? I keep forgetting this exists for some reason. Hello. Bam. I exist. And there's also no fucking microphone. Cause I'm still using my Quest Pro microphone. God, hot damn. Output device this one. There you go. Perfect. Nailed it. Absolutely fantastic. Alright. So I want to see what would happen if I had to track the headset, the keyboard. If I set the role as keyboard, what would happen? I gotta find the code first. What the fuck is the thing? And for also Visual Studio's off, so I'm gonna have to go and get Visual Studio as well. Where in the code is it getting the role? Hang on, I've got to find the tracker first. It's this one. Tracker. Input source waste. Okay, and this one also has treadmill. What? Oh, bruh. This might be an old strip though, because there's no ankles in this one. But this one also has head. Which I'm guessing is the headset. If I remember correctly. So, can't use that one. Okay, can I test it live though? If I change it to like something that exists, like what does it have? I'm gonna change it to a chest. I'm gonna live change it to chest. So now it stopped tracking the main camera and also the one in game. If I change this to be chest, it gone. Fucking great. Quickly change it to be chest, play. Yeah, it's still over there, just doing nothing. Also, where the fuck is a chest and index controller? Can I fix it if I change it back to waist? Okay, at least I can do that. Huh. So maybe there's no pose for it. I'ma change to fucking keyboard. Fucking nothing, nada. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go into the Steam VR thingy. Where was it already? Steam VR input. Is it Steam VR input? Open binding UI. Sorry about that. Really fucking. Vive tracker. There's literally an input called Vive tracker on keyboard. That. What now? What can I bind to it? Poses. No. Value for a button with the track object. I'm gonna go into raw pose for that. Tracker on waist. That one is mapped already. No. Yeah, there's not much to it. Tracker on keyboard. It's so strange though. Maybe add an action. Action add new action. No, I need to go in default. I can't do it from this one. Like pose. Action default in posed. Huh. If I can get the keyboard thingy to work, that could save a lot of time. And a lot of things. I won't touch it just yet. I'll keep it on the waist thing. On the waist pose. And I'll keep my tracker set as a waist for now. But that's a plan. Potentially. It could work. But who knows? Who knows for now? But what could I do? So what I wanted to do... So if you remember yesterday when I played Phasmophobia, I found out that it's possible to play Phasmo with the webcam on without the rendering breaking. Which is odd, because last time I tried, it was broken. I do want to try this again though. I'll try to boot up. I've got my Panax open right now. I will try to boot up a game that requires it. That requires OpenXR on this computer and see if the same happens. My suspicion, it will. Because what I think it is a computer issue. So let me open up a game that does not require me to re-download the goddamn thing. And I'll go with the Pimax. Because it didn't matter which headset I use, it would break the rendering. So do I have... Okay, I have this one. That one's like to launch and requires... Oh no, I don't have it. Never mind. I need to stream that one. This one? Fuck, neither of them I have. I will do Hyperbolica. This one is easier to actually... This one's lighter to install. And we'll see what results I get with the webcam on. Let's see. Play it in SteamVR mode. Will it break? It did not even start in VR mode. Game. Play it in SteamVR mode. It's not launching in SteamVR mode. It's not even launching in SteamVR mode. But I have SteamVR open, you dork. Oh. No, I know why. I'm dumb. SteamVR is not set as the OpenXR runtime. That's why. Settings. OpenXR set as OpenXR runtime. Yes. That'll do it. Alright, let's see if the rendering breaks. Oh no. It's fine now. What now? Okay, so summary of the test. Initial problem on computer number 1. OpenXR games completely break if the webcam's opened. A while later, I get computer 2. And after another while later, I open up an OpenXR game. With the webcam on, by curiosity. It works. Suspicion. Hardware issue on computer 1. I go back to computer 1 today, right now, and it works. The what now? So it might have been a software issue with OpenXR itself, which that's what I expected initially. Some kind of incompatibility between Steam VR and OpenXR, like Steam VR overlays specifically. Which was weird, but now it seems a bit better implemented. Because now I can actually play the damn games that I play with the webcam open. Which is great, so that means any VR games, I can actually use my webcam now. I can use the full body mode of it, which is great. Sounds like a great update. Absolutely smart ass update. Good job, OpenXR. You're less trash than I initially thought. Still fucking trash to stream with, especially on an ultra wide. But I digress. So, yeah. It works now. Okay, so webcam dev can continue. Where were we though? It's been a while. It's been an absolute while. What the fuck were we? Because there's a lot to this that has to be updated. Like one problem I noticed, and that's a huge one. Not everyone has a 2560 width monitor. And for some reason, the window kept being capped, like under a 1920 1080, it kept being capped at 1920 width. Which is a problem. Pretty big problem. So, I'm gonna have to figure this out. That would be a massive pain in the ass. For now, though. Yeah, for now that should be good. Yeah, it's an interesting issue. How could that be remediated? There's one option. It would suck to implement, but yeah, that would also be about. That would also bring a bunch of drawbacks. Or maybe not. No, it would. I'm not sure though. You know when we render backgrounds, so these beautiful things, the backgrounds themselves. How about this becomes a render texture, which is always displayed, but the alpha channel is at 0. So if you are in OBS, for example, OBS, when you do a game capture or window capture, I don't remember which one, you have an option to actually toggle transparent window. If transparency is off, you would see the background. If transparency is on, it would act like this background here, which is a transparent background. The question is though, if I wanted to keep the key in color, how would that work? Like that's like it has its advantages, but it also has the huge advantage that it only needs one of two cameras. It only needs to render one camera. Well, actually, still two because of the background, but oh no, but even then, that's not something super possible because some of the backgrounds, like my studio here, there's like the screen in front and the desk and everything. Those would not work with that setup because you've got elements that are clipping in front of the character, and because the character is not a plane, it would not be natural to have like elements being like front and back and everything. So that would not work actually. Huh. So there's this to think about. That's one thing. That I want to implement. But actually, I'll see what I do for that. Other thing, I want to implement the gesture system. So you can see like when I do like stuff, the fingers move and everything. Well, that's part of the gesture system actually from one of my old projects. One of my school projects when I like just made an entire goddamn avatar system. Definitely not to start a VRA. Definitely not. I could dig in that project because it's pretty much just VRA. Just the first ever version of VRA. I could dig in that project, get the actual controllers for like, okay, these are the like curls of the fingers, and if it's like depending on which curl, do a gesture. I could just go and yank that code into here. And that would mean inside the full body mode, the gestures will be controlled by the controllers instead. And not by the keyboard or the whatever Xbox controller you have. Which will be more natural than just having to go and grab an Xbox controller and then doing the gesture. It would be much more natural. God, poor gestures, they just never match. There we go. So I might try to do that tonight. Because I've got my index controllers over there, just on the floor. I could do that. There's also the whole avatar system itself with the buttons and like the avatar menus to continue. Like, we're getting somewhere. I also need to do like proper instructions and just, you know, a good looking window. I feel like I might ditch the settings app, even though it works. Like, it can communicate perfectly fine. It's top priority. Like, you've got all the required settings you really need over here to, like, do stuff. But yeah, interesting problems. So these are the things I'm currently thinking about. Yeah. It's something like this requires a lot of thinking. So don't mind me if I'm just slant and thinking a lot. Me when Opera crashes because I pressed a shiny button. Anyways, good morning everyone. Yeah. I could just go run to my fursuit head over there and just fucking pat it. At any fucking point. I just see my head over there. Which has kind of shared like half of my bed for the past week. It's literally taking half of my bed. Please help. Getting a fursuit was a mistake. Expensive, great mistake. Just go a quick shot of you go to pat your head. Just get a bigger head, yes. Just bigger head, just take the entire goddamn bed. Oh, also, fun fact. You know, you guys, do you remember the pillow I paid like $1,000 for at a charity auction for silver? You remember that pillow? I finally got it. I finally have Le Silva pillow. It is much smaller than I thought. It is much more of a decorative pillow than it is a sleeping pillow, that's for sure. Even the texture says it. It's more of a decorative pillow than anything else. So my fursuit head is resting on it. Mike is resting. Mike is resting on it. Bro, that's me. I just called my fursuit head Mike because my show is called Mike, but I'm also Mike. Oh, who's the fucking real Mike? Both. Both are real. Anyway, my head is resting on it. My fursuit head, per se, is resting on it. Hot damn. Oh boy, we love confusing stuff. We love the confusion. Alright, let me open up the other Unity project. I know this computer is not gonna blue screen anyways. Unlike my other computer, damn it. Inside our room is 4 mics. One goes by Mike. Alright, hang on. There's Mike. Then there's me, Mike. Then there's Mike over there. Who the fuck is the 4th mic? Too many mics. Unless she's talking about a virtual one. Which I would count as 4. And then we count have all the plushies. We've got my just which one? Flicking. Okay, how many button presses will I have to do to get the correct one? The usual, this one. We have this mic. We have this one. And we have the other version of the Diwali, which I had used as just testing the just trying to see if I could fit my regular car scheme on the Diwali, which honestly did not go well. So technically soon enough I'm gonna have at least 5 mics in the same room. If one of my friends would come over, that would make 6. Jesus. Ah, I mean, if we're including the bottom shirts. Make it like 7. 5 mics. Yes, burgers from Mike's. I've never eaten at a Mike's before. I never ate at my own restaurant. Go figure. Just go figure that out. Ooh, that is a very melted Oreo McFlurry here. He just has much fucking. It's a milkshake at that point. I'm gonna finish that and then I'm gonna go back to coding. I'm making gloves for without the beautiful quote from the clip compilation. God, and sing easily took you fucking like a solid like 10 seconds to just process that quote. McFlurry is completo. Great, now I've got ice cream on my face. You know what I just came to realize? I'm in my other room. I don't have a mini fridge and I don't have the HT and I forgot to grab an iced tea can, so I have to go back in my goddamn studio grabbing an iced tea can. God damn it. Absolute oopsie. Why am I in my office and not my studio? Because my stream computer with the VRA webcam is in the office right now. As I was troubleshooting the other one. So, well, that just means one thing. That was a loud fucking bang. Holy shit. God, that will fucking just go and grab a can of iced tea real quick. I'll be your bee. Yeah! There was almost a catastrophe, but crisis averted. There was one can left in the mini fridge. That was a fucking close one. Absolute too close to my comfort level. But got the iced tea can. So you know what that means. One moment of silence, please. Refreshing.
My boy.
I fucking hate the timing of that word. Fucking timing. Why? Why you gotta do this to me, Dad? Why? The fucking timing, hot damn, Dev. Fuck. Jesus. Grr. That was, ha. The fucking timing. Just, my boy. In that moment, might remember that he streamed a bunch of jokesters and he would never receive a sign so widely as for. Yep. You bastards. Jesus. I shall keep it the jokesters, the toys, the everything. It's never gonna goddamn end, is it? The other project is still opening. How long did I click open on that fucker? Jesus. But hang on a second. I thought I had it open before though. I thought I opened it before. Gear? Huh. I really thought I had it open before. Oh no, you know what? I opened the project, the Visual Code project, the Visual Studio project, but I did not open the actual Unity project itself because I did not have the right Unity version. But now I have it. You know, I had to wait. My body just said, yeah, but that's way faster. Fair enough. Okay. Well, I gotta go find out, anyways, what is controlling the gestures on the other project. Still importing though. I just want to go create the code from that project and put it in this one. That is all I want from this. Okay, game's opened. Hold on, if I were to open scenes. Fun fact, I actually used that project with when I did the first clip compilation. I went ahead and used that project. Oh god, I completely forgot about this almost. Damn. How could I forget? Okay, I don't have gesture controls, however. Right, this is the one game where I have gesture controls in VR but not 2D mode, and the webcam I have gesture controls in 2D mode but not VR mode. How? Also, how would that run? What if I were to initialize with XR? How bad will my computer run? Oh god, it is not happy. It also saw my head tracker. Great. That's fantastic. Let me swap avatar quick. Yeah, I've got Chipory in there. I can go and take the Chipory for a second. I can give the Chipory a spin. Well, now the advantage is I can go in here and set general to VR. And I have to go in this one. In theory, this should be. Actually, I should probably shut that tracker first. Hang on. I shut it off. There you go. Just shut off for now. Will it still bug out? It still thinks it's shit. Still thinks it's in full body. Wow. Well, there's one way to fix this. Just close SteamVR. Okay, watch crash now. Something crashed. Shit, the VRA Webcam project crashed. Fantastic. We love to see it. Alright, I'm guessing this one has... Okay, start SteamVR. I just want to open this up. It's VR related anyways. I can hear my hard drive go burr. Yes, I am on floor now. But wait. I am in the SteamVR menu. No tracking, beautiful. No. Probably start this over there. It should boot up just in VR. It does just boot up in VR mode. Absolutely fantastic. Where the heck is my mouse? Maximized it. How does that look in VR? Oh boy, it's all frozen. Hot damn the lag. Okay, seems like Open VR is not liking this very much. Open VR is not liking my thing. I mean, to be fair, it's also extremely high resolution. Like, it has been made to look really great. And that's sharp. That is extremely damn sharp. God, I completely forgot about that project. How they... Huh. Come up. poor fucking computer wants to die. Oh, and the window has to be focused. Grrr. Focused. Okay, good. So, this is my first attempt at... Well, my leg's over there. There we go. Much better. This is my first attempt at the like full body avatar system. It supports full body tracking. It has controllers. It has gestures. Jesus. Yeah, I only got one base station there, so if I put my controller here, it's just gone. Sorry, I'm probably gonna spin over here. Base station, stay with me. And you can see it, like the finger gestures you could see actually in the actual webcam itself are here because the code file is based from this. I do have interactions as well where I can just click and stuff, and that works. Yeah. It's been a while since I've made this. Damn, how long has it been? When did they make this? That was 2020 or 21. Was it 21? Shit, I don't remember. It's been a while though. It has been an absolute damn while. Give it a bit some slack. So I want to copy the code from this one. I know the game is completely distorted, like absolutely goddamn horrible. But yeah, let me just quickly stop this game, get off of this. That poor 3090 wants to fucking cry. Hey, Lemon, hello. And I invested in detecting anything, probably something wrong in their solar after short poison problem. I hope for you the poison problem either, that would suck. Webcam. Back to this. And back to this. Tracker open up. A body. It's in a body. Oh no. Alright. Okay, so yeah. That is the project I wanted to show. Which I want to copy the code over from. Because it is pretty much just VRA. It's literally VRA. Version 1. 1.0. I can't go older than this. So I am hopeful that I can just copy the code from this. And grab whatever is doing the gestures, fingers. Can you go on fucking VRA Webcam for a second? No, it's not. It refuses. Go on this one. OBS. Thank you. Alright, so if I was code to actually control these gestures, where the fuck would I be? I might have to actually... Okay, I'm gonna press play, I'm gonna like myself, but I'm gonna press pause as well. That is not what I want you to do. Initialize Xr and startup. Pause. I'm gonna press also both triggers so that full body is calibrated, and I don't care if the avatar looks weird. All I care is the gestures themselves. That is all I care about. So this, what do we have? Player. Okay, so this is the one that's getting the inputs. So it's only getting... It's now getting the finger curls. Unless... Is it? Oh no, they are getting the finger curls. It's just not applying. So I need to get from this script then whatever is used to actually do the finger curls. That's the script I need. So player controller. So there's a bunch of this I don't need. I will make a script in VRA Webcam. I will make an extra script. Now that I know exactly what I need, how to implement it is going to be the question. So there's the whole like gesture controller itself. Okay, so there's first this script, which is odd choice. Gosh, it's been a while since I've implemented gestures, so spare me a little bit on that one. It's been a pretty long while since I've touched these scripts. Okay, so I see. So by default it's buttons. I see. I must select Visual Studio to be this one. And hopefully the slider still works. It does. Alright. So we have... So this is the script that is responsible for all the gestures. On the VRA Webcam itself right now. And it's only meant to get the buttons of whatever controller you have. How can I know that? Like if you take a look here, there's like first off an input system here. But over here, context. Input action callback. That's from the input system of Unity, the new input system. So this is what controls. The value variable here, that is taken from gestureable animator in the avatar gestures controller. So that's the module that actually controls, from what I'm guessing, if I remember correctly. Go to definition. Yeah, this is what controls the animator itself. So you just pass in the gesture. If I go back one. Over here. So values is just the gestureable animator, which is here. And I'm trying to set these values here. which are what I want. This is actually exactly what I want. But now, I don't want to get a controller. I don't want to get an Xbox controller. I want to get a VR controller. And it doesn't matter which controller. If it's a VR controller, I want a VR controller. That way, if you're on a Valve Index or an Oculus Rift, whatever, you'll still be able to use the gesture system within VRA Webcam. Which is important when you think about it. So, I want to just copy from the other one, because the other one, I know, I've tested, it works with Oculus Rift, it knows with index controllers. And since it works with Rift, it's gonna work with pretty much any controller. And I'm not calling it the Meta Quest or the Meta Rift. I don't fucking care. Screw Meta. It's Oculus. So, that's a screen controller. Avatar hand controller. For the actual mouse thing. Why the fuck is that just a controller right there? I want this one. Thank you. Bam. Right. And yeah, I wanted to have controller with Stream Deck as well. Which is pretty simple to implement. Yeah, and I want to have, I think ideally to make less confusion with the functionality, I want to have a test, because each of these functions are like what controls the actual thing. If the variable for like the game setting, I should have access to game settings from here. I should have access to it. Let me check. If VRA Webcam what would that be actually? Higher HD. That is exactly what it needs. A higher HD. Ah! Fuck! I keep pressing the build ass button. VRA game. Which menu is that? I completely forgot. VRA. Options main menu. Save manager. No. I completely forgot what I need. Is it the game manager? It's not the game manager, is it? Wait. It's a setting for sure. VRA. settings. Because I need to get the setting. You're gonna need me here and fight a where here? Where? Also, hello. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Oh god, every fucking hell. I can't believe I actually fucking said that. Yes, yeah, I think. Do you need help with something there? Is that what I need? Is the game manager even? Yes, it is. Like it's so sad that like I'm trying to set these, but they just don't want to work. They just refuse in the build application. You came in the waiting room, Azov? About time someone joins. Hello. Fuck on headphones. Hello.
Hello. There is a cat in my room.
There's a cat in. Uploading and using it. Even if you upload it, then I call data from you. The footwear. Get that what?
Wait, what?
Trying to understand. What do you need help from me? Making the avatar? Uploading an avatar? Because if I upload it, then I have to put it public so you can clone it. Remember that. So I can't really do that. Also, because there's a goddamn ready for it.
Oh.
I like how the music fucking stopped. He refused. There's the music. We can hear you rubbing on stuff. think that is enough. Boop, bap. It is enough. So I'm way lower now. But damn, alright, you can okay, yeah. It was the way goes.
My mic was a bit too close to my face.
That is totally fair. No, you can't. If I put it public, you clone it, and then put it back to private, then you won't have access to the avatar anymore. It will just lock you out of it. If you want to have it private, then you have to upload it yourself. Yeah, I mean, I could help you. Just like hop in a VC when I'm in there. Like, I'm trying more and more to go into the VCs of my server recently. I'm trying to get back in the groove. I'm not full speed yet, but it's getting somewhere.
Don't you have to be a certain VR chat level for you to upload it?
Eh?
Like you can't be a new user VR chat to upload an avatar.
You have to be at least a new user, I think. If you're a visitor, you can't.
Oh right, forgot what the.
Also, Tony, I will let you know that not everyone here is named Mike the Bird. I'm probably one of the only one that's providing like actually detailed instructions here. I'm the only one here that's called Mike the Bird, Tony. That's what I said. Which means I'm like the only one that's giving like ultra detailed instructions here.
I mean, the process should be the same for all of them, right? The uploading process.
Most of them. Like 99% of the avatars is always the same. Open a sample scenes, like one upload. Most of them. Some of them, it gives you the prefabs, you have to drop it and then upload it. Like, it depends on what the creator does, but usually it's always the same. Sample scene, select one, upload. So it's like, once you know the process once, you can repeat it again for pretty much any base. It's when it comes to the actual source files that it really differs from creator to creator. Like what they do with those. Like some of them will do Substance, some of them will do Photoshop, some of them would do Affinity Photo like me. And some of them will have like a good setup where you can just change like rectangle colors and you're good. Some of them you have to use the paint bucket. Some of them it's a merged texture you have to just paint on yourself. So it depends. Some people include instructions within the actual Photoshop file themselves, like I do. So it really depends on the creator, but the upload itself is usually the same.
So theoretically, then you could follow the. Actually, no. I guess you don't have access to the Avigin upload instructions if you don't purchase it, right?
I mean, what's the point of having the instructions if you don't own it?
Because the upload instructions are there. If people don't know how to upload.
I mean, I figured.
That's how I learned, at least.
Yeah, I mean, the upload process, as I said, is the same within all avatars. So, for that part, it's not like it's useful to have in there, especially if it's a first timer of having an avatar. But you don't need it if you don't have the avatar.
Okay.
It could be useful, however, to have that like on a standalone thing. But again, some creators might not do that. Some creators might go a different route when it comes to the actual sample scene and how you upload. So if I were to take my instructions and just make it a general instruction, there's no standard. So my instruction might be valid for some, but not others. Which is a problem. It kind of needs to be standardized at some point, but I think it's just people like just follow the flow with like what feels natural, and they take inspiration from other bases. So they see, okay, they upload it that way, so I might do the same setup on mine, and then follow suit to the other and the other and the other.
Yeah.
Which I guess that's where the like make sample scenes and prefabs came through. Some people don't do the prefab route. They just do the sample scene with like pre-made avatars in there that are not prefabs. Some of them put them as prefabs like I do. It depends, but at minimum, sample scene. Minimum. I went ballers with instructions because there's a lot included with these avatars that I do. On the Evision especially, where you have the source files like super detailed. I could detail a bit more the instructions for the source files, but usually it's like if you are a creator, you're more advanced and you kind of know what you're doing anyways.
Yeah.
But for like uploading, there's instructions for that. There's instructions on how to use the menus themselves, because there's a lot of menus. There's a lot, and it was worth the effort to put all those instructions. I could go and rant on some of the bases I bought recently. At this point, I've not bought a base for like a year. False. I bought like 2 bases at Silver. Never mind. Still haven't opened them yet though. But I could rant on some of the bases I got and how they're set up and how absolutely just not great it is to work with. I strive for ease of use, and I intend to keep it that way. Hey, Massey Devali, hello, welcome. I'm so sorry I missed you during the stream. I'm sorry, I had technical issues. I completely missed you. So sorry. God, how are you doing? How are you doing? I'm just ranting about avatars while I'm supposed to go code my own avatar system here. Also, I did see your Mike Valley, really cute. Yes, code. Absolutely beautiful. Also, hi, Mike. Welcome to the VC. While the toaster went to dinner. Okay, dead. Alright. Enough ranting about bases being just horrible to work with. Excluding mine because I strive for each of yours. Let's go code. So what I doing? Yes. That's the answer. Yeah. Man, I'll be honest with you, I kinda have an absolute hot damn weakness for Mike Valleys. This model in particular, I don't know why, it just kills me every time. I don't know. You do me nuzzles? Just sleep on chest floof? I don't know. It doesn't matter. I just die of cuteness with this one. It matched my goddamn cuteness overload. Yeah. Yeah. Ready then. Where is the VR setting? Because yeah, if you just came in while I was just ranting about, I'm actually making my own avatar system here. I'm making my own custom webcam. All compiler errors has to be fixed. Of course I have a compiler. What did I do now? If VRA, great.
Testing, testing.
Hello.
Good day.
Michael sicko mode on Vivalis, yes. Yes. Also, you should join my Discord. I'm often in there just chatting stuff. Or at least I'm trying to be as often as possible in there. Anyways, webcam. Custom webcam. Capuche. Why the fuck am I over here? Ah, yes. Because it is in VR headset mode, I think, is it? It is. Yes, VR headset mode, that's why. Tracker mode. Engage. Bam. Alright. Webcam. Fully custom. I want to make it public at one point, so... Yeah, works well for VTubing. I've used it with Phasmophobia yesterday, actually. So... good. I want to put full body tracking, I want to put gestures with controllers, which is what I was trying to do, but then I rented for half an hour on avatars. I don't have ADHD, but I have autism, so...
No, oh. Needed clarification.
Needed clarification on that one, Chief.
I may not have ADHD. I'm just autistic. I'm the opposite.
I'm the polar opposite of ADHD. Which could also be considered ADHD. It could be. I mean, I'm diagnosed officially. I'm diagnosed with autism. I've not been diagnosed. Not been diagnosed with ADHD though. ADHD.
You know what is crazy?
ADHD squared. Beautiful.
Beautiful. You know, according to medical records, I'm no longer suffering from ADHD.
But really, how does that happen?
It disappeared. Cause I'm an adult now.
How does that happen?
That's how it works, you know. You have to be evaluated twice for that. So I'm gonna have to go and get evaluated twice. Because for now, I don't have ADHD. It is gone. I am free.
Huh.
In fact, I'm cured. I just grew out of it. You know, I guess that's what they always say about it. It's like, I'll grow out of it, and I did. I'm not diagnosed anymore.
That is just...
Why can't you do it? Why can't you do it for your own diagnosis? Why can't you just grow out of it?
I don't know.
How about now?
I don't know. Okay. There's one thing I grew out of, actually, with a bit of medication. I actually had epilepsy in the past.
Did I? No. I think I recall something like that.
I did have epilepsy in the past. But I took some medication. I don't know if it's a medication or if it just went away, but I remember taking medications at the same time that it started going away. And at one point I was just not epileptic anymore. Which is great!
Well, I'm glad for that, because that would be really bad for VR.
I would not be in VR.
Horrible.
I would not be in VR if I still had epilepsy.
Which absolutely concerns me to find that there's still people in VR, full on just going through the consequences, just because they have friends in VR.
Yeah,
That is absolutely wild.
That's just called being smart. And potentially lonely, but we don't talk about that.
Exactly. Let me just read your code real quick. Hold up.
Go to different. Well, in def. Okay, what am I trying to open here? Okay, that is the wrong thing. That is the UI. That is not what I want. It's in the save manager that I have to go grab the thing. That would explain a lot. VRA save manager dot. Aha. There they are. There are those motherfuckers.
I understand another this.
Welcome to my life. Desk settings. I want to get... No, it's not desk. I'm fucking dumb. It's...
Steam Deck.
App settings. Stream Deck here.
You use it?
It's kind of implemented, but I've never actually used it. Also, Dev, is it better for the volume? Oh shit. Gotta grab from the application setting. I think it should be in there. Tracking method. So if it is... I'll put it greater, actually. That will work. Greater than... I'll cast this as an int. If I quickly peek the definition of this one...
Jerky.
Peek the definition of that one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I might actually put another option after for HMD seated with controllers. But that's gonna be another option. So I'm gonna want greater than a greater or equal than 5. Because non-mouse tracker seated and HMD only, you don't have controllers. So you're gonna use an Xbox controller or whatever to actually control the gestures. Okay, more balance, good. And then aside from controller, this has controllers. This has controllers. Webcam. Right. That's not gonna work. I might add exceptions. Where I could do like this, but then it's also not equal to this, not equal to this, depending on what's more optimal. But for now, this is optimal. This works well. So if the tracking method is greater than that, return. Return. I can't spell great. Return.
Dope.
My fingers had a stroke. Okay, and I want to not do it in the control here. I want to do it over here actually. And I could actually copy, just take this, remove it from here, and add it as an end over here. So target that gesture. If this is greater or equal than 5, then just rest. So the only reason I cannot verify your server ability, it might have broke the bot. Bot? Le bot? What happened? Do you have your server DMs opened? Our server DMs on. Also, I realized there's welcome banners, but the thing is, the font is not fixed. I wanted to do it a while back, but I could not. Because problems.
Problems.
Yes. Cannot send DM to this user. Yeah, I mentioned the bot is fully custom, so there might be some problems. Okay, I can get a DM from it. Huh. Yeah, I got a DM from my own bot. That's good. But
Weird.
why would you not get anything? I've seen that happen to a couple people. I don't know why that's happening.
The bot's on break.
The
It
bots.
decided to gain sync.
The bot
Yeah,
said
the
no.
Yeah.
Bot said no.
It like took a one look into the account and went and said, "Hold a second," and like continued doing its reception work. Kofi. Yes.
Yeah, why did you break? It registers in the logs that, Where it's in the logs, it's there. Wait. Fucking wait. And there's no, Yeah, I don't think you're using special characters. That should not be a problem with the new username system. Why though? Yeah, taking a coffee break lol. But the bot's open, bot. Bird. I'ma smack your fucking bird ass. Get the fuck over here.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna give the bot a little reset. I think. I'm gonna give the bot a reset. Let's see if that works. Shutting down. Terminate. Alright, bot is offline. Give me a second. Bot is back online. So you can try, if it didn't work the first time, if it doesn't work the first time, then you can try to unreact and re-react again. If it's back online. It's not an EVGen, it's Bird. It's the built-in robotic drone that's back online. It's not an EVGen.
Imagine taking a break for a split second and being turned off as a result for it. That's definitely dystopian. Not gonna lie.
Very dystopian.
Very dystopian. Imagine that happening to me. Just like, I don't want to work. Alright, die. Then come back.
Yeah, so let me go as well then. Okay, yeah, I see. Yeah, that seemed to have worked, I think. Let me see if I can go and, oh god, can I even...
Oh yeah, the acronym for the body.
Speed run installing the fonts. Would that work? Come on. Come on. God, you tried to join like fucking 3 times. Holy shit. Dedication. I swear if the bot does not recognize the font, I'm gonna. If it does not recognize the font, then I'm gonna have to restart the bot again. But at least be in. I can probably regenerate some like the banner. Just if it's borked still the banner, I'll regenerate it. If you want. In the meantime, I'm gonna put this on the side over here. There we go. And smack my webcam a little open over here. No need to be sorry, it's just me being a fucking dumbass. Fucking professional streamer over here. I have only added one line of fucking code. Hey, the font worked. Let's go. Fucking professional dumbass coder. Fucking love to see it. Alright, these ones. So gesture fist. Just copy that line of code. Yeah, so we call that a mood. Yes. That is 100% a fucking mood. Alright, put it
What's
there.
with the... Whoa.
What would the what?
Die. What's with that quote? How did that quote happen? I'm confused.
Sometimes questions shall be left unanswered. I don't remember that one.
Right. It's some reason it exists.
Someday I said that.
Someday.
There's someday that I said that. What day? What stream? Who the fuck knows?
I was gonna say something, but in the likelihood that I get sued for false advertising, I shall not. However, that does remind me. How did you sleep last night?
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby, right? So I just woke up. You know, it is 10 o'clock and I just woke up.
Jesus.
Ask me how I woke up, or like ask me the reason I'm at this moment to be on your stream.
Because you want to die of cuteness by the fucking cuteness overload.
Yes. But there's another reason. There's another reason.
Because
I didn't just like stretch my arms, the birds singing, and I'm like, oh, you know what would go great today at night? Just a little look at that beak. And beautiful eyes. And wonderful ears.
Damn, you're
Face.
you're fucking calling me out on my fursuit head taking half of my fucking bed.
Well, you do that with your fursuit. But as a real Chad, you know, I don't sleep with anyone or think.
That is a Chad move. I'd be fucking lonely if I ended up having blushed.
I just grab my plain white quilt and just drape it over my body.
Yeah, that's about as boring as it can be. Yes.
That's as boring as it can get for old me. I don't rely on things. I rely on dreams. And talking about dreams, that's exactly how I woke up. Tell me how.
Oh god. There we go. Before story time,
ahead.
I would quickly mention, like, if you join the server and you see just like us in like the VC that's called conveniently MikeStream VC, that means it is open for anyone to join. Where you can just be here on stream, just with us, talking while I suffer through code. Or whatever game I'm playing.
That's if Mike checks still waiting, or if someone checks.
I have Discord on the side here. I can see if anyone's joining now.
All right.
Before it was behind Unity.
I was sad. I was sad last time, you know. I was like waiting for hours and hours and hours on the. I'm like, all right. And then you asked me to join, and I got so confused. I'm like, oh. And then I left. Because I was doing Unity work. But that's beside the point. Story time. You know what that time? You know the time it is, Mike, right?
Shit.
Hold up.
Here we go again.
Hold up. I gotta put the pokes, Mike, and back as I
Oh god.
joke.
Oh
There
god.
you go.
Oh god. I'll quickly just do a quick mention though. You know when I said earlier how fucking the VRA project I showed earlier is like is the oldest you can get and like it's pretty much just VRA V1.
Yes.
It's pretty much how to put this straight. It's pretty much using the exact same damn name for the avatar just a controller and the just turbo animator. It's using the exact same fucking name. Literally the exact same name. That's how far back VRA dates. Jesus, well I can just copy this whole fucking thing. I literally don't need anything else. I just need these.
Oh my good.
And yoink. And it's not even generating any errors. Wow. Wow, mode.
Did I miss anything when I was going?
That's
Just troubleshooting how to get Massey here on the Discord because the bot was being a bitch as usual.
Ah, yes.
let me just quickly.
I'm
Screenshot and
gonna
snap.
kill that bot. I'm gonna fucking kill that bot. But I need it for the server.
Didn't you make the bot?
I made the fucking bot. I'm still gonna kill it though.
Fair enough.
I kind of want to revamp it at some point with like a new verification system maybe that doesn't require DMs. I've seen on a Discord actually that to verify, when you press the verify reaction or the button, it creates a new channel on the server itself that only you can see. And also moderators. And when the verification is done, that channel's deleted.
Oh. That's cool.
So I wonder. Oh God, why did you take a picture of this? Why did you take a snapshot of this?
I don't know. It just the stream froze for that exact moment, and it just reminded me of that specific meme. I'm like, ah! Thanos.
Ah. I brought into this world. I can take you out. Damn it! Yes, vibes. Fucking vibes.
Oh. I brought you a take you out.
Oh damn! Oh fuck! Okay, that controller also controls the full body setup, the full body tracking. Okay, oh god, register gesture. Holy shit, that is a lot of code. Okay, code launch for index controllers, code launch for all other controllers. I wonder, can I just copy the whole function? Can I just copy the whole function and just change the last reference? Would that work?
That's the problem.
And just change this to this. Which one am I using? I'm using.
Oh, why is my computer doing that?
Wait. Okay, I just have to remove. Oh. Okay. That's the one thing I need to do then. This test here doesn't matter. I'm gonna put here this line of code. So the test for, instead of is mine, because the other probably was supposed to be networked, but I never had a chance to actually implement that. I'm just gonna take the tracking method here, and instead of checking is greater than 5, I'm gonna make less than 5, or less or equal than. No, I'm gonna keep it 5. That way it's gonna be easier if I want to change it later. And just a controller equal null. So if one of those two are true, return. This here doesn't matter because I'm always updating it. And I want to register the gestures here. On update. So that should be good. But now this script. What does it do? Go to definition of that one. What am I testing for? Controller type. How am I setting the controller type? I see. Gosh, I remember. This was such a fucking pain in the ass to code. Holy shit. When I first did this was a fucking pain. I don't remember if I copied the code from like Stack Overflow or if I wrote it myself, but damn, if I had to write this myself, holy shit.
That would have been wow.
Because I have to get the controller type. I have to get the controller type. Because of index controllers, like index is literally the only one different. I have to get that. Also, I have to add the sword controllers from Pimax, but I don't have a sword controller. So I'm not sure how that would work. Anyway, that script's here. Game settings or game manager. Play mode, keyboard, VR. Let me just add the controller type in here with the variable for it. And I'm just gonna change a reference to that script. Because I have static ones, yeah, I have static variables here. By default, I'm gonna put touch controllers because I expect most people to have a Quest. I guess I could also just copy the whole fucking script. Well, it's also under Mike Studios. Damn, it's under the same. It's literally under the same thing, Mike Studios. Holy shit. I really did like. Consistency is key in this one. Okay, hopefully I can get the name correct though. Could I? Open containing folder. I want this. Can I just drag this script into VRA? That's a VRA script, which is a resource, I think. Did I put in resource? Which one did I put? Resource, yeah. That makes sense. But wait, no, I have it here though. Why? Why did it not register? Is it because... Yeah, I have it. I don't need this. I don't need this. I need... Aha. Just add in resources. Alright. And if I go down here... Bam, these are recognized. Definition. So what calls it? Is it called? It is called by the game manager. So that is good. So the variable should be set already. I should not need to change anything.
No joke. They were.
Oh god, who raided Fizz Wolf? With 15 raiders. Hello.
Oh shit.
Gosh. 3 minutes before the end of the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. 3 minutes before the end of the stream. It are my problem now. Yes. Yeah. Thanks, guys. No, guys. You're not my problem. I will be your problem. Because I will be just brainwashing you with all kinds of creations. Code, music, animations, whatever, games, avatars, you name it. I will brainwash you with all my goddamn creations. And today's no exception. We're making a custom webcam. And it sucks.
Right.
But yeah, welcome. So yeah, today's VRA Tuesdays where I make my own custom webcam, which I'm actually currently using right now. And I've used it in like VR mode with the Phasmophobia. You can check my stream VOD of yesterday for that. It works well. Laggy as shit, but it works well. So I really recommend checking it out. I want to make this public at some point, so yay. But of course, I don't have just that stream. Friday Night Gaming. I game. And that's pretty much it. And on Sunday, I make anything. I can make like art, I can make music, I can make animation. It doesn't matter, right? Just be creative. It's creative Sundays. You had a good streamy. Lurk time. Damn, I really don't have a lurk comment though.
Blackout's not in the chat apparently.
Good. I mean, Blackout's never here. He's been here for like 0.05% of my streams.
Yeah.
Poof.
So first off, regular, just my shout out. You were actually doing art. Oh well, well that's convenient. What were you doing? What kind of art were you doing? I gotta go eat. Well, there you can tell me later. Okay, so I got that code in. I wanna get those gestures working before the end of the stream, so it might actually last another half hour before we fucking troubleshoot that fucker. But in theory, if I did my job correctly, this should work. In theory, this should work, just like that. Are those even working? Yes, they do be working. I'm getting the finger curls. They do be working. I do wonder now. Okay, so I'm gonna boot up this webcam and I fucking hope. So in theory, in regular tracker mode, I can use my controller to actually control my gestures. Yep, so that still works, that's good. But now, if I were to go in... Right, also, I wonder, if I switch to my... Nope, that's a bad idea. Volume is extremely fucking loud, holy shit. Shit, go back. Fine, I'll just do it for a second, I guess. Okay, VR mode. I'll just double check my code for a second. Yes, I'm setting them correctly. I'm setting them correctly. Okay, so yeah, you can see regular here, that works. Just controller, basic, that works. If I go to general and set it to VR, in theory, the controller should not be doing anything more, but it is still doing stuff. No reverse exception. We fucking love to see this. Fucking a bajillion fucking times in the chat. Holy fucking shit. Clear collapse. Yep, pretty much what I expected. We'd have to see it. Back to tracker mode for now. What's problematic? This. Get state. It's trying to get a state that does not exist. Let me stack trace this. So with just the gestures, that makes sense. It comes from this one. And then it's trying to get cement versus left hand. You know what? Because it's not added to the actual inputs of that controller. If I go to my Steam VR thingy, Steam VR input, I'm gonna put it here just so you can see. So you can see that if I go to VR player, which is the one the other one uses, you've got like all the gesture triggers here and everything, skeleton left, skeleton right. But in default, they're not there. Actually, left and right hand are still here. Skeleton hand right, skeleton hand left. So I'll just rename these to be skeleton right and skeleton left. And I want to copy these. And all the same. So I'll quickly just take a capture of these settings. Put it on the side here and I can just start typing, I guess. So default. Press add. I want this. Look at my string has nothing as well. There, it has nothing. Okay, so it's just a question of adding them and just... literally just add those. This one. This one. I hope I don't break my thing by doing so. Here, grip time, here, grip time. Yep, that's good. Anything more I need? Pose is already here. Skeleton left, skeleton right, that's good. Alright. Our haptics are probably needed, but that should go. So if I save and generate, in theory, it should not break the camera. Also, my lip sync broke. Fantastic. Higher at iced tea. Thanks, Dabo. God, that implementing that for yesterday would have been fucking cool, but damn it. Okay, save and generate. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Hopefully it doesn't fuck up. God damn, with the regular height rate, boring.
Boring? Did you say boring?
Boring water. Right after an iced tea. It sucks. Okay, let's see if I broke anything. Do you plan to ever doing another mouse pad with a Mike Valley theme? I'm going to buy one of those, lol. I could make a mouse pad with the Mike Valley on it. Okay, the gesture still worked. That's good. Okay, let's see. Moment of truth. Is this gonna be flooded with 500,000 million errors? Yes.
Oof. Oof.
Same source. Huh. I mean, at least the inputs are there. At least the inputs are there now. So it should not be. It's weird though. Why is it not? Like, what's the error actually? What's the error? It's like it's just not such a representative object. I might just be dumb. I could literally just be dumb here. So the error is object reference not set to an instance of an object. Let me check something. What script is this? This is gesture input controller. Gesture controller. Inspector. Gesture input controller. Aha! I'm dumb. Ah, that fucking explains it. I was just fucking dumb. I have to set the inputs here. Thumb touch. Bam. Thumb press. Bam. Index touch. That will be trigger touch. Index press, that is trigger press. Grip touch. Grip touch, grip press. Grip press. Skeleton left. Skeleton left, skeleton right, skeleton right. Save. Now in theory it should just work.
In theory.
In theory it should work.
Alright.
General, tracker, VR, no errors. Grab a headset. Are we ready to say? I'm gonna grab a controller. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna do gun finger. Fuck.
Alright.
Alright, well, I mean, we're getting somewhere at least. Fucking give me a break, I'm getting somewhere. Okay, it's not registered.
No, you should have done it one attempt.
Yeah, this one is... if you thought I was gonna do it in one attempt, you don't know code. You don't know my luck and the luck of programmers.
No, what do you mean? It always works first time.
Oh, it works.
Exactly. It always works. Like every single streamer or like coder I've seen always works first time.
So these things are not being registered properly. Are the skeletons being registered properly, though? I'll see them skeleton left and right. Let's see if those are registered properly. Because if they're not... They are not. Okay, so that is the problem. Those might need to be assigned. Open binding UI. Edit.
Turn off this fan. Go.
Skeleton. Skeleton left and skeleton right. No, those are set correctly. Okay, no, they are set properly. But the values are not being set. So let me check the script again. It is supposed to go in here though. I don't need this if else though. I just need these. That's all I need. I wonder if it just went in if else by accident. But I should not, because else I would not get the error. No. Like, it's trying to get something, but it's not getting those. And it's being tracked. It is being tracked. I think. Yeah, it is being tracked. I'll just keep the thing just here. Is it gonna be too warm? It might be too warm. Oh, Jesus Christ. Abusing my Pimax. Just keep it somewhere that's tracked. Here, for example, stay there. I can't see my hand over there. Hello. It's not tracked.
Tail.
Damn.
Dude.
Damn. There's something in here that's not initialized properly.
My voice is really low compared to the. I mean, it's possible that like I asked them to lower my bass volume or something. I don't know.
Yeah, Michael had the same volume earlier. The same problem. Yeah, I don't know why the volumes on Discord are kind of jank right now. So I'm boosting it up a little bit.
I can just scream louder if you want me to.
No, you.
Yeah, hell yeah.
No, you don't.
I won't. All that matters is that during the Minecraft stream, you could hear me scream.
Bruh.
That's a lot.
How did that stream go?
Well,
Well.
Tell me everything.
we ended up. What was it? We found it was impossible to beat it. At least with the pack that we had. Or not.
What was your thing?
What was the way to get Ender Eyes? It was like.
Yes.
Right. Yes. it was like. No matter what we did, even when following it, I think the way to get Ender Eyes was something that supposedly dropped like Bastion loot, but it wouldn't drop it. So I interpreted it as, oh, maybe we need to go to a Bastion, but apparently that wasn't it. And I had just. I just spent like an hour and a half. Oh, yeah, well, no, we tried that, is the thing.
We tried many
at first,
things.
Oxide Daisy, that's what it was. I had to go out to a jungle and I spent an hour and a half killing parrots.
That did not work.
Oh.
It wasn't that long, but it felt like that long.
Oh. Killing my
that didn't
people.
work.
God damn. There's only so much I can do with my fucking stream self. Shut up. It's the usual volume that I put the music on.
Legally oofing parrots, yeah.
Legally oofing parrots.
Yeah. And apparently I don't know how parrots spawn. So.
Okay. Also, I might be fucking dumb as well. Maybe it was just using the other thing that I copied from. I'm fucking sorry if it was using the other thing I copied from. No. Yes.
Maybe.
Yes, it was. So I can get the finger curls on index. So I got the thumb here. I got middle finger. I got the index. I got the ring. And I got pinky. So I can get those values. But now they don't apply to the gesture. they don't apply the animation. Now that is the last problem. The animation said fuck you. Oh. I think I know why. I do need this over there then. Or do I now? What's the fucking threshold? 0.6, yeah it is. What did I do on the other one? I did... just that. Before I save, I will not forget to get out of play mode, because I know it just breaks my setting save if I get off of like that. So I'll try this. I'll also take this code here and do an if that. Where's your values else? So I'm just doing this here. Else do this. And that, well, I'll just do it over there and see if that works. Come on, just... I'm so close to have gestures for VR mode. Come on. Still no. But they are registered. What is it doing? Is it still trying to use the controller, I wonder? No, it's not using the controller. I cannot control my expression using the controller. Jesus. There's no safe spot for this. I know what. No, that'd be too dangerous. That'd be too risky. What about... oh god. Here on top of everything else over here. So I can see the head a little bit. Oh god. My desk is full of junk. That poor cable, I fucking swear. There we go. Now I can see the head. And I can grab a hand. And test it. But it seems like it's not working right now. It's so weird. Like it's there, but it's not there. How am I applying the thing? I see. Because it's a different one. If I were to do this and replace... oh dear. Well, shit. gonna replace all of these with value instead, which is the new name I've put in this project. See if that works. Because they do be registered properly. They're just not applying properly. Good, I was down in play mode. Oof. I always forget. Back to Unity. Come on, please just work. It should, in theory, work now. In theory, it should work. Aha! It works! It fucking works! I got it to work! Yay! Woohoo! I've got gestures in VRA Webcam! Finger gestures! Whoop whoop! Oh, controller, why are you flying up here? Whoop whoop! Finger gestures! Bap bap bap. Great! That is an absolute hot damn win. Hey, Locke! Vera mic the 21-point moment. Yes, it is. Hand gestures. I don't need my controller, my Xbox controller for VR mode anymore. I can just use regular controllers now.
I didn't realize you were using Xbox controller for your gestures.
My gestures the whole time. When I'm like doing regular just 2D games, sitting down, I don't use my index controllers because I don't need those. And it would be a bit cumbersome to have like fucking hell, just index controller. Imagine having like index controllers while fucking grabbing an Xbox controller and playing with that. How would you do that?
With difficulty.
Though, with something like... If they were well strapped on there, I could still code and use my mouse. Like, that's still possible. So potentially what I'll do is I'll add another mode to the webcam. And that's what I said earlier. I want to add a mode to actually have VR mode seated with controllers. That way, I'll be able to use my like keyboard, mouse, whatever is needed. But instead of using an Xbox controller, I can just use my index controllers, and that's gonna be absolutely fucking fantastic. Like, hot damn, we got surprisingly a new feature in the first episode. Well, my comeback episode of VRA Tuesdays. That's actually fantastic. Honestly, I want to use that webcam more. If there's like any other VR game for Friday Night Gaming, I want to try that. I want to try that new mode. If there's any new, like a VR game. You know what? Oh no. Help wanted to.
Bro.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
I will fucking do it with the webcam. I will shit my pants. Like, really shit my pants, but I would do it. But any other VR game as well before that releases, because I feel like it might be a PSVR 2 exclusive for now. I don't know. It's only been announced on the PlayStation stream. We'll see. But any VR game, I'll be able to play it with the webcam. So yeah, for now though it's 10:28. I gotta go. I gotta fucking run off. So yeah, I think we got a new feature in. But for now, let's go see Go to raid. Alright. Who's here? To stream. I mean, I could have read a message, but at the same time, message is not streaming right now. Goddamn. Who is the streaming? Raid. Damn. I only have one streamer in my follow list streaming right now.
Oh.
Fun. Let's go quickly check. Maybe any new people this time around? Lesser streamers? Oh god. Mute. Ah, nice. We got that. A smaller streamer, you know what? We can do a smaller streamer. We don't need to go massive amount of viewers every time. Let's just go. This one, they're playing Beat Saber right now. Mini Fox. On the smaller side of viewership, which I appreciate. Let's go give them a little surprise squawk. You know, or surprise little squawk in the chat as a raid message. This is usually our raid message, guys. So yeah, for anyone that came from Fizzwolf, that is our raid message. Just squawk like that. Just copy and paste it. That's how it works over here. So the next stream's gonna be on Friday, where I don't know what I'm gonna play, but I'll probably pass a vote, or if I get kidnapped again to play Phasmo, I don't know, but we'll see.
Hopefully you get kidnapped to play Phasmo.
No. No. But until Friday, stay safe, and I'll catch y'all soon. See ya, peeps!